Have you noticed what the average guy looks like in 2026? I mean, most guys gain about 10 to 15 pounds every year, and they want to call that aging. And when it comes to working out, they can't even do a basic body weight pull up. If you ask me, every man should be able to pull his own body weight at least 5 times at a bare minimum. And when it comes to squatting, you should be able to squat your body weight, but the average male cannot. And you ask him to walk up a flight of stairs, he's gassed, he's winded, he's trying to catch his breath. When you look around, most guys have low energy, they glorify working on as little sleep as possible, and think that always being in pain and having achy joints in their 30s is normal. And their medication that's on the counter, yeah, that's just a part of my life now. But when you think about it, none of this happens overnight. It's a slow, gradual process until one day they look at themselves in the mirror and ask themselves, wow, how did I get here? And guess what? If you were to ask these guys, hey, did you want this to be the outcome? They would tell you, of course not. Because the thing is that these are busy guys. They're hardworking men, providers, professionals, dads, husbands, blue-collar workers. And I get it, because if anyone works a crazy schedule, it's me, myself, as a first responder. My schedule is never the same week after week. And then I'm also a husband. So I get it. Life gets busy, work gets demanding, but that doesn't mean you should neglect yourself. So what is the solution? How can one start to take charge and action of their life instead of just drifting through life? Well, in your 30s and 40s, research has shown that males start to lose about 0.5 to 1% of muscle mass every year. Now that's important because we want to keep our muscle, especially as we age, because we know that we have a better quality of life. Think about it. Muscle is protective. It supports our metabolism. It supports our joints. And it really is a fat burning tool. The more muscle that we have on our bodies, the more calories that we're able to burn. So we want to make sure that we're not just being cardio kings, but really just focus on strength training and implementing cardio strategically, and of course, eating nutritious whole foods. That's going to be the goal. And most guys think, well, listen, I don't have the hour to 2 hours to work out in the gym. We're not asking for 2 hours. If you want to change your life, do something physical every single day, at least for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. I guarantee if you look at your screen time in your phone, you're going to probably see hours of just screen time that you're wasting on doom scrolling, keeping up with your favorite sports team, looking at what other people are doing in their lives on social media while neglecting your own life. You have 30 minutes a day. Get moving, get active.